Hello, friends. I'm here to discuss with you an important topic, a topic important from exam point of view as well as knowledge point of view. But let me begin my session by asking you a simple question. Tell me, who wants impure blood? Bad blood? Surely nobody. But do you know which organ of the body plays an important role in purification of this blood? In giving you pure oxygenated blood? Yes, you're right. It is the heart, also known as the pumping organ. Along with the lungs, it helps in purification of the blood and helps in the transport of blood across the body. So today we are going to discuss a vital organ, the heart. The heart is a vital organ of a body which helps in the purification and transport of various substances across the body via blood. Basically, let us begin by discussing the structure of the heart. Our heart has four chambers. The upper two chambers are called as atria and the lower two chambers are called as ventricles. See, if we imagine our heart as a box shaped structure, we have right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Now I'll be discussing some related structures to it. Here you can see a schematic diagram of heart where the four chambers are designated as the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and the left ventricle. Now we have valves present in between the atrium and the ventricle known as the tricuspid valve in the right side and the bicuspid valve in the left side. We have superior and inferior vena cavas attached to the right atrium, pulmonary veins attached to the left atrium, then the pulmonary artery attached to the right ventricle and the aorta attached to the left ventricle. I'll be telling about all of these briefly. See, the superior and inferior vena cava receives the impure deoxygenated blood from the body. The pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for purification. The pulmonary veins carry the pure oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart, and the aorta, the largest artery of the body, carries the pure blood, the oxygenated blood, to the whole body. Here we can see the right side of the heart receives the impure blood. Now let's say, what is its fate? Its fate is purification, and this process takes place in the lungs. The pathway is the heart, lungs and the heart again. That is why it is known as double circulation, since it involves heart, lungs and lungs both. Now let us see the course of blood flow through the heart. As I already said, the right atrium receives the deoxygenated blood from the body through the vena cava, transmits it to the right ventricle. Now from the pulmonary artery, the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs, gets purified, reaches the left atrium through the pulmonary veins, then to the left ventricle, and then through the aorta. The whole body gets the supply of the oxygenated blood. So today I discussed with you the basic mechanism that how the heart works in the purification of blood with the help of lungs. Thank you. That's all for today.